Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 70, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and then swipe down right here to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, look for the power saving mode. Now it looks like it's not added by default, or I'm not just seeing it. But yeah, I think it's not here. So anyway, we're gonna click right here on this little box. I'm gonna select edit switches, and I can already see power saving mode is the first one right here. Once you see this toggle, hold it in here. The text above will change, and you can then drag it to the top, drop it, select done, and now it's available to you in the toggles. Next, simply press on it. There we go. It will give you this pop-up either every time or just once if you decide to select the box right here. So power saving mode, save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto sync. Now, this explanation is extremely vague in the changes that will happen. And one of those is crucial to some people, which is the auto sync. What this implies is that it will disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. And because of that, what you will experience is just notifications not being delivered to you when you're not using the phone because it's not connected to network. And you can probably imagine how for some people that might be a deal breaker, not getting notifications from apps. So just be very mindful of this. Additionally, we can check the box right here to not show this pop-up again, and let's choose enable. This will just give a subtle leaf icon next to the battery to indicate that it is right now enabled. And that's about it. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode and you want to turn it off, find the toggle once again, hop on it, and you're good to go. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.